everybody, welcome or welcome back. So this week I'm showing you guys a beginner everyday makeup tutorial that I do, and this is very basic and simple because I'm not using any foundation, concealer, contour or highlighter, and the products that I'm using are affordable. They are under 500. This is a medium coverage makeup and this is how it looks. So let's start with it. To start with, I just washed my face and my hands. They're completely clean. Now I'm using a toner to remove the excess oil and tighten my pores. I'm using this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda toner. I'm gonna take it onto a cotton and wipe around my face. For moisturizing, I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. And my favorite Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's with SPF 50. I'm using this Maybelline Compact in the shade Shell and applying it using a flat brush. Okay, now I'm gonna bake my under eye and bridge of my nose and a few of my spots. So this is the loose powder by Lakme. It's in the shade Warm Pink. Okay, now I'm gonna leave this powder on my face for around 2 minutes and then brush it off. I know this looks weird, but that's okay. I'm using a gel eyeliner to fill in my eyebrows. And I forgot to use a lip balm. I'm using this Nivea lip balm. And I usually do a wing liner on daily basis and skip mascara. For the liner, I'm using this Lakme Insta Liner. Okay, now I'm just brushing off the powder. And for the lip, I'm using this Maybelline New York Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1, and I use this almost every day. So for the blush, I'm using the same lipstick. Okay, that is it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you missed to, and also like and comment down. Bye.